Hello all, I'm just doing a wee video update on the status of where the old Odeon cinema used to be at the Dundee Stack Park. Now it's considerably changed the area and there's a lot of construction work being built for the new home bargains to go in its place. So I'll go and show you just the update. It's the 22nd of May 2023. This is where the Odeon cinema used to be. And you can see the construction work is heavily underway at the Dundee Stack Leisure Park. It's actually the Stack Retail Park, but originally it was called the Stack Leisure Park. It was first built in 1992, thereabouts. The cinema opened in 1993. I believe the bingo's still open as usual. I don't do bingo, so I don't know, but I'm guessing it's still in use. In fact, there's somebody just came out of it, so yeah. So that buzz bingo's still business as usual. Now I've got footage of this being demolished and everything on my channel. I've even got footage of its interior as well, when it was derelict, so that's also on my channel. So this is the new home bargains that's being built in the place of the old Odeon cinema here at the Stack Park. I'll go around the other side and I'll get views of the building from there as well. This is just another view from this point, because during the demolition I was filming at different viewpoints, so I'm kind of like going back to these areas where I filmed when I even got footage of this, you know, the exterior of the building, the old cinema, when it lay derelict before it was demolished, on my channel. And I'll catalogue the progress of this construction as well. So I'll have a before, during and after. So it didn't take them long really to have the building demolished and construction on the new one started. It didn't take them long to do that, It was all done sort of within a few months, to be fair. Quite quick. And they've done quite a lot. It wasn't long ago when this was just open waste ground when it was demolished. It didn't take them long to get all this constructed. So they've used the same fences that were up when the demolition was done. So there wouldn't really be much point in taking the boundary fences down if they're still wanting the site to be closed off, so they just left the original ones up, I believe. Still got Burnfield demolition on it. That was just a wee update for you on the 22nd of May 2023, the status for the old grounds in which Odeon Cinema once stood on, now making way for the new Home Bargains.